안녕하세요 everyone, this is Gia. Today we are going to make a super popular Korean banchan, the side dish. We are going to make Jinmichae Bokkeum, which is stir-fried dry squid strips. This stir-fried dry squid strips is served in Korean restaurants as a home meal, school meal. Every Koreans just love this dish. If you haven't tried this dish, I really recommend to make it. Once you try it, you're gonna love it. You can find the package of dried squid strips at Korean market or online stores. It's called Jinmichae or Jinmichae in Korean. Dried squid strips tend to be too long, so cut them into 2-inch pieces, which are good to eat. Soak this dried squid in lukewarm water, rinse them lightly, and then take out immediately. Squeeze out the excess water. Do not soak the squid in water for too long because they'll lose the chewy texture. Add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of gochugaru, Korean chili flakes, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 1.5 tablespoons of gochujang to an unheated pan. Add a teaspoon of minced garlic and a tablespoon of mirim. And then heat the pan over medium-low. We're going to make a sauce in the pan. It needs to be heated so that all the aroma of the ingredients get together. The sauce won't burn because the vegetable oil is added, but make sure to cook in medium-low heat until it gets to a boil. The aromatic ingredients will slowly release their flavor into the sauce. Now turn off the heat and let it cool for a bit, for about 1 minute. Throw the squid into the pan and thoroughly mix with the sauce. Heat the pan again into medium and stir fry for about a minute. Okay, it's done. Turn off the heat. Chop 1 stalk of scallion for garnish. This stir-fried dry squid strips was made in less than 20 minutes. But one of the tips to make this dish successfully is to soak or just wash the squid strips in hot water, in warm water quickly. Squeeze out the excess water and then you want to cook it. Otherwise, it's going to end up very tough. Let me try 1 bite and I'll tell you how it tastes like. It's very soft. A little bit chewy, spicy. It's a perfect side dish. Thank you for watching. I'll meet you next time.